Since 2001, the Austin College Center for Environmental Studies has conducted an experiment in Blackland Prairie restoration ecology at the college's 100-acre Sneed Prairie, a former family farm. For many students, it is the first opportunity for hands-on ecological restoration.
The stories of, lighting a prairie on fire were always stories that my friends and colleagues wanted to hear about. But it was also a unique experience for college students, someone so young to have.
In 2002, the college began offering field trips for local elementary school students, where they learn about human impacts on the critically endangered Blackland Prairie, how the deep root systems of the 4 major native grass species help prevent runoff and erosion, and the role of bison in the prairie ecosystem. Through generous grants and donors, the field trips are offered completely free of charge. To date, over 11,000 school children have visited Sneed Prairie.
It's just a wonderful experience for our kids. It's hands-on experiments, it's fun, it's enjoyable. One of my students even said, I didn't think this was going to be very fun, and it ended up being awesome. So that's great. It doesn't cost anything to come. They're so gracious to allow us to come out here and learn from their students as well.
The field trips are led by specially trained Austin College students, many of whom have contributed to the prairie restoration work as well. It gives the college students ownership over the field trip program and experience in environmental education, a career path that a number of graduates have followed.
One of the experiences that stuck out for me in particular was, I think it was a year ago, there's one little girl came up to me. She was so sweet. She said, "When I grow up, I want to be an environmentalist just like you," and that just warmed my heart so much.